Uh-oh, something's wrong with my touchpad. It's not responding. What did I do wrong? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is another quick deviation from my usual car videos. So I just upgraded my RAM and my hard drive on this Dell Inspiron 5505 with the Ryzen 5 processor. And when I put it all back together, I started trying to use the touchpad and I couldn't click on anything. All it did was move. It let me move, but it wouldn't let me click on anything. It wouldn't let me right click. So I was like, what the heck is wrong with this thing? Did I break something? Or did I loosen something like a ribbon cable or something when I was doing my upgrade? But apparently it's a common problem with this laptop. So what it is the clearance under here is so tight with all the motherboard and equipment and everything, just because of how slim and how thin it is. And even with my new SSD I put in there, it's pretty close to the lid. It's probably touching the lid once you put it on. So when I was retightening it, I think the cover presses down on the touchpad and it causes the touchpad to actually click together. So the simple fix for it is to just loosen the bolts, because I think I over tightened them when I tightened it back up. All you need to do is just loosen these a little bit, and then to double check, you want to make sure that like this part right here, there's a little bit of play in it where it's not too tight. You don't want to loosen it too much where the bolts will fall out on you, but you just want to do it just enough so the cover stays on and the clips are in. And then you could kind of hear the click, the clips in here kind of click in place, and then flip it back over and double check that your touchpad clicks. So now that I loosened it up a little bit, you could hear it click every time you touch anywhere on here. So that's a good sign that the touchpad's actually working. So if you ever put pressure on this touchpad and it clicks in and then your touchpad doesn't work, that's the solution, to kind of loosen the bolts a little bit, make sure it's not jammed right here where your touchpad is not making any clicking noises. Because before, when it wouldn't click, I couldn't even double tap or use any of the gestures to do anything in here. So now that I fixed it, everything's working again. It double taps, it takes all my gestures work now. So pretty simple fix there. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for this quick tech video on this Dell Inspiron 15. Well, if you're working on this laptop, you gotta be very careful with that bottom lid. And if you're looking to upgrade this laptop and you haven't done so already, check out my video on upgrading the SSD and the RAM on this video. I'll have a link up here. If you found this video useful, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I usually have car content, but once in a while I have this computer stuff because I am a computer and electrical engineer, so I like to do this type of stuff. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys.